Tire and the life of people. A meaningful comparison. A tire carries the entire weight of the vehicle, without complaining, without being seen, without recognition. Just like many people, parents, breadwinners, students, workers, they silently carry responsibilities, family problems, financial burdens, emotional pain. No one notices until they break down. Sometimes the strongest people are the ones nobody checks on. Tires go through rough roads. Life is not a smooth highway. There are potholes, sharp rocks, muddy paths, long, exhausting journeys. Yet the tire keeps rolling. In the same way, people face failures, rejection, heartbreak, disappointments, but we keep moving because stopping is not an option. Lesson: strength is not avoiding rough roads. Strength is surviving them. Tires need air. Support: a tire looks strong, but inside it's just air. Remove the air, it collapses. People are the same. We may look strong outside, but inside we need encouragement, love, prayer, support. Without these, we feel empty and flat, just like a tire without air. Bible verse: come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. God is the air that keeps us going. Tires wear out over time. Even the best tire gets worn out, not because it's weak, but because it has traveled far. If you feel tired today, maybe it's not failure. Maybe you've just traveled a long road. Rest doesn't mean quitting. It means preparing to continue. A flat tire doesn't mean the journey ends. When a tire goes flat, we don't abandon the car. We fix it, we replace it, then we continue. So why do we give up on ourselves so easily? One mistake, one failure, one heartbreak, and we think life is over? No, it's just a repair stop. Bible verse: though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again. Proverbs 24:16. Final life lesson: be like a tire. Carry your responsibilities. Endure rough roads. Stay filled with faith. Rest when worn out. And when you fall flat, rise again, because the journey isn't over yet.
Don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.